Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine. Okay, so I am Siddhivarda Agrawal of grade 8A, and today I am here to explain an interesting topic. That's the next topic of the chapter Squares and Square Roots Introduction to Square Roots. So let's begin with our session. So, the first thing, let's understand what are square roots. So, square root is inverse of the square of a number. So when we take a square of a number, its inverse is known as its square root. For example, the square root of 16 is 4. That means 4 square is equal to 16. So the square of 4 is 16 and the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of a number is denoted by the symbol, and this way we denote the square root. There are two integral square roots of a perfect square. This means that for a perfect square, for any perfect square number, for example, if you have to take 81, then it has two perfect squares. One is 9 plus 9 and the other is or minus 9. Why have we considered minus 9 to be square root of 81? Because minus 9 into minus 9 is going to be 81. Minus minus plus 81. That's fine. Okay. There are basically three methods to find the square roots. Repeated subtraction, prime factorization and long division method. So let's study each of them in detail. First we'll start with the repeated subtraction. What is repeated subtraction? Let's see about repeated subtraction. We can go with repeated subtraction of square root of 64. Let's see how it goes. 64, we have to subtract with the odd numbers, right? Starting from 1, the consecutive odd numbers. They are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. And till the answer is 0, we have to continue. For example, 64 minus 1 is equal to 63. 63 minus 3 is equal to 60. 60 minus 5 is equal to 55. 55 minus 7 is equal to 48. 48 minus 9 is equal to 39. Then 39 minus 11. See 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and now 11. So it's going in order, right? It's going to be 28. 28 minus 13 is going to be 15. And 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. So we have achieved 0 at the end. So that means that 64 is a perfect square. It's going to be a perfect square. So what's the square root? I had already told you that it's a method of finding square root. So what is the square root of 64? How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why the square root of 64 is considered to be 8. The number of steps, it's there. That is its square root. Right? So I hope you all enjoyed this session and thank you. And if you have any comments or any doubts, please enter it in the comment box. Okay, thank you.